In a big move that affects thousands of workers and businesses, Saudi Arabia has stopped giving new work visa quotas to people from 14 countries, including India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Egypt, Indonesia, and others. This suspension will continue until June 2025 and is already creating a lot of problems for companies that depend on foreign workers, specifically in jobs like construction, cleaning, and domestic help. This decision is about a special kind of visa called the block work visa, which lets Saudi companies hire many workers from other countries in just one go. But now, that option has been removed from Saudi Arabia's job portal Kiva, which means companies can't apply for a larger batch of workers like before. Even applications that were already approved might now get delayed or cancelled. But the question is, what happens to the workers? If somebody was waiting for their visa to be stamped, they might have to wait longer or even see their application rejected. People who already have valid work visas but haven't traveled to Saudi yet may have to face entry issues at the airport. The countries affected by this sudden visa halt includes India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Egypt, Algeria, Sudan, Ethiopia, Tunisia, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Yemen, and Morocco. Many of these nations send millions of workers to Saudi Arabia every single year, and their families also back home depend on the money that they send. We also call them remittances. You know what, experts believe that this particular step is part of Saudi Arabia's long-term plan. The plan is called Saudization, which means that the government wants to give more and more jobs to Saudi citizens instead of relying on foreign workers. From 2026 to 2028, companies in sectors like tourism, hospitality, and retail will have to hire more Saudis, so visa rules are getting stricter in advance. This change is also happening around the time of Hajj, when Saudi Arabia tightens travel rules for crowd control. In fact, they have also paused family visit visa and Umrah applications for the same 14 countries during peak travel season. For now, if you are somebody planning to work in Saudi Arabia, or if you are an agent or company helping with such travels, make sure to double check visa status with airlines or Saudi embassies before booking your tickets. Also, expect delays and new rules in the coming months as Saudi Arabia shifts its labor policy. While the need for jobs still pushes many to seek work in Saudi Arabia, this recent change is a reminder that workers and families must stay alert and avoid agents who promise quick fixes.